And the second question is if x plus y minus
Mhm.
z minus 5 whole square plus y plus z minus x minus 3 whole square plus x plus z minus y minus 7 whole square is equals to
Mhm.
0, then find the value of under root x plus y plus z.
Uh-huh.
Your options are A square root 13, B
Mm.
square root of 14, C square root of 15, and
Mm.
D square root of
Sure.
6.
Sounds good. Okay. Sure. Interesting. Um, okay. Give me exactly for these two questions, sir. Can I take 7 minutes? I'll put a timer on as well because I want to
Okay,
start
okay.
doing time condition. Is 7 minutes
Seven
a good
minutes. No,
amount?
no, 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 wait,
Five?
wait, wait. See, if you solve it in 7 minutes, then okay,
Mm.
it's okay. But ideally, the 7 minute is not,
So
no.
what would you recommend? Because I want to do this timed
Yeah,
now
I
because
want to explain. See, that's what I'm
oh yeah, sure,
saying.
sure, sure. So no, I understand, sir, but I okay, before just one thing. What
Mhm.
so if I'm doing the ESAT, if these were there, how much time would you recommend I spend on these two questions if this was in the exam?
Two
Basically, why
minutes
is 2 minutes?
maximum. 1 minute
Oh,
for these two questions. You can, in 1 minute, both of these two
wait.
questions can be solved.
Uh, Interesting. Okay. Hmm. Okay, can I try I think I know what the first one is. First one is A. That one's simple.
Very good.
Then second one, let me find. First one is quite simple. Second one, I'll use my 2 minutes on. Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Interesting. Oh, I see what it is. It'll just come out be 537. And then once we add them all up, will it just be C?
How much?
C.
See, correct. So see, in
Oh, nice.
less than
True. It's
two
quite
minutes.
simple. Yeah, you just need to read the
But
question.
you
True,
know,
true,
if you don't have seen this question, then you
true.
may stuck in the examination, or you may get
Yeah,
confused
yeah.
there. Okay,
This
so
one was luckily easy because the second one and both of them they just work out perfectly because the second one you add all of them it's fine. First one is
yeah,
that. So okay, that works.
okay.
Nice.
So the next question is, yeah, if we have x is equals to 4 minus root 3
Mm,
upon 4 plus root 3, then find the value of x plus 1 by x.
mm,
Your options are A 38 over 13, B 37 over 13,
mm.
C 36 over 13, and
Mm.
D 35 over 13.
I
Please
see.
check it.
Would it be A?
A 38 over
Yeah.
13.
Yeah. The reason being it will
Correct,
bottom
correct.
will become 30. Yeah, it's correct, right?
Yeah, it's a simple one. It's a simple one.
Yeah, this one you
Just
don't
for
even need to do this one
correct.
also I don't think I needed to do calculation as well
Yes,
because
yes, yes.
it's simply just yeah, okay, works perfectly.
Now
Okay,
let us
perfect.
see a good question. This was the
Yeah,
simple one.
sure.
If 5x squared plus
Yes.
4xy
Mm-hmm.
plus y squared plus 1 plus
Mm-hmm.
2x is equals to 0,
Oh my God, okay.
find x and y.
Ah,
Your options are, see, these are basic, this will be the easy one from the options. If the options are given, this is a very simple one now, isn't
you
it?
just plug in and test. Yeah, I get that.
But
Uh,
if the options are not given, or
then
suppose
how will I do?
they are saying that find, someone saying find x plus y, then it will be the difficult one. Find x
Yeah,
plus
yeah,
y,
yeah.
find x square plus y square, like these things. Then
Mm.
this gets conceptual now. Right now, these are simple. You can verify
See,
all the
this
options one
one
by one.
can I do it without the actually no, it'll be
Yeah,
hard
yeah.
without options.
Suppose someone is saying that find the value of x plus y, then
If
you
it's
cannot do with
yeah,
the
then
option.
yeah, true. So there has to be I mean this one I won't do with the options way at least. I'll try doing it the normal way as if I didn't have options just to
Mm-hmm.
practice. But with
Mm-hmm.
options it would be simple. I would just plug in
Yeah,
and
yeah,
don't I
correct,
wouldn't
correct,
waste time about it.
correct.
But this one let me see how I do. See.
We try this one for practice. I'm writing the second one.
Interesting. Ah. Hmm. I think the issue here is there's something to it's like you have to basically factorize it, right? And top one, if you were to factorize it, how would I do? Interesting questions, these. I think I can solve. Okay.
Let's see. Should I
Oh,
explain?
let's see. Yeah, yeah, sure, sure,
No,
sure.
the conceptual explanation for this question number 4 is hidden in this question number 1. What was the conceptual explanation for this question 1? You have solved. Can you explain your method, your
For this
concept
one, what
here?
I just did is I assumed all of them are equal to zero. And if I assumed all of them are equal to zero, then in that case, m would have to equal 5,
Correct,
n would
correct,
have to
correct,
equal
correct, correct.
7.
So why you have taken all of them equals to 0? Any logic
Because it's
behind this?
given. It's given.
No,
Oh my
sum is
God.
given at
Yeah.
0.
Hmm.
Sum is given at 0, not
Yeah.
individual 0 you have given.
True.
So why you have taken
Uh,
each one at 0?
it's just the simplest one because 0 squared plus 0 squared plus 0 squared. Oh, I'll explain. If I take any other number, because it's a square, they will all be positive and they cannot equate to
Yeah.
0.
So we
So it
know
has to
for
be
any
0.
real number, its
Mm.
square is always greater than equals to 0. So if you
Yeah,
have
yeah.
three positive number, the sum of three positive number or greater than equals to 0 is 0. It will be possible if and only if all of them will be 0. Otherwise, it will not equals to 0. So based on this, you have solved question
But
number 1. You have solved
yeah,
question
but
number 2 individually, right?
yeah. But the
Okay.
problem with the fourth one is there's a plus one on the left hand side.
No problem. So let us try to write this all as a perfect square, something square
That's what I was
plus
thinking.
something
Yeah.
because RHS is already 0. So
Yeah.
okay. So the first one is 5x squared
Yeah.
plus okay,
Hmm.
see 5x squared. No, I think this 5x square will be not here. It should be 4. Please correct it. It should be
Four.
4x squared. Then it will be
One
perfect square.
second.
Please make it 4x squared.
Yeah, yeah, four
So
would make sense because it would just be 2x
so
plus
yeah,
y whole squared.
4x
Yeah.
squared and then y squared and then plus 4xy. No, 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 no.
Yeah.
No, no, no. It will again step.
Five only.
It's the 5 only.
Yeah,
It
one
should be 5.
second.
Because,
It's-
so see, this 5x square, I'm writing this as 4x squared plus
Oh,
y
I get it. I
squared
get it. Yeah, because then the
plus
second part will be
4xy.
x
See,
plus one
this,
whole
yeah,
squared.
this
Makes
one gets
sense.
corrected here and the remaining x squared
Ah,
plus 2x plus
plus one.
1 is equals to 0. So
Ah,
now this
okay.
one can be written as 2x plus y whole
Correct.
square plus this will be x
Oh my
plus
God.
1
I
whole
see.
square is equals to 0. Now again, the sum of two non-zero numbers is equals to 0. So this will be
Yeah.
possible.
Mhm.
This is greater than equals to 0. This may be
So
greater than
x
equals
is
to
minus
0.
one.
So yeah, so 2x plus y is equals to 0, either
Minus
this
two.
condition or
B.
the x plus 1 is equals to 0. So from here, you will get x equals to minus 1. If you
Yes.
substitute it here, you will get minus 2 plus y is equals to 0. So y is equals to 2. So now you have
Correct.
x and 2. So you can find x plus y, you can find x square plus y. So, this is a hidden trial type of question. You
Yeah,
have
I
to
see.
use your presence of mind, and these questions are for your, for extra marks. If these questions come, these kind of questions will come. These are not simple ones. It depends on your presence of mind, how you are thinking
Yeah.
there.
Okay. Yeah, I think yeah. True. 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 True.
So please see this question number 5. Similarly, the same thing. Now see, this time it is asking for x square, y cube, and z. So this time you cannot go with the options.
Hmm.
So okay, so a square plus 2ab, I will take 2ab from here, right? So if see x square plus this 4x should be written as 2 times of x into 2, isn't it?
Hmm. Yes.
So it is a square plus 2ab. So I
Hmm.
need this 4 additionally.
Correct.
Out of this 5, I have taken this 4 here, right? So x squared, 4x, and something. Okay, similarly, y squared plus 2 into y, and it's 1 already. So 2y. So you need 1. So I think this 5 is already written here. 4 plus 1, and the remaining is z squared. So keep it
Hmm.
as it is. So now the first three term is x plus 2 whole square plus this middle three terms is y plus 1 whole square, and the last one is the z square is equals to 0. Again, these all are greater than equals to 0,
Hmm.
and the sum is 0. So it will be possible if x equals to minus 2,
Hmm.
if y is equals to minus 1,
Yeah.
and z is equals to 0. So now I think you can find this expression. Please find it. Tell me the
Yeah.
answer.
Sure.
Next question is 2 raised to power 16 minus 2 plus 1, 2 squared plus 1, 2 raised to power 4 plus 1, 2 raised to power 8 plus 1. Find its value.
Hmm. Okay.
What's the answer for the previous one? Have you solved
Hmm.
this one? It
The
should
top
be,
one.
yeah, this one.
Yeah,
The minus 2
I'm
whole
just.
square plus minus 1 cube plus 5, 0 square, 0 to 5. So it should be 4 minus 1, that is a 3. So answer should be 3. This one, 3.
Hmm.
What do you think? These
Yeah, I
are,
think
these may be asked or not?
they can be, but my actually, yeah, I think there's actually quite a high possibility of them being asked because yeah, I have
I have
seen them
shown you
before.
in the last class the sample paper question that is from the sample paper published by the ESAT. So from that sample paper, it's very clear that they can go with any level, right? They have
Yeah,
asked
it
for
just
AQ minus BQ, something,
yeah.
all algebraic manipulation they can ask.
It's the thing is I genuinely think so. It's kind of like the Olympiads they make us do, but
Yes,
instead it's not as tricky in terms of like the questions are a bit more straightforward. So that's the one
correct.
good thing about this. Okay, this
Correct.
one let's see. Find the value.
Your
Oh,
options are
wait, are these all
three.
multiplied? Just double
Yeah,
checking.
these are all multiplied.
Oh,
See,
okay, sure. Hmm.
option number B 4, option number C 1, and option number D is 5.
So 1 second. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 2 to the power of 11. Okay, I think this is quite simple. I think it should be easy, but wait, what? Multiplying them all.
So these are the multiplication.
Okay, it's this then. Oh, then you don't need that, but okay, if you go this, that's just, why am I doing this? Oh, no, wait, wait. Okay. Oh. On why is this? It seems it's a bit trickier than it seems actually. Okay,
Very
interesting.
tricky. It's very tricky. So see,
Yeah. Wait, can I
yeah.
try just 1 minute? Just 1 minute.
Okay,
I
okay,
think I might
sure,
be on the
sure.
right track. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Because I think I'm
Will do.
just
I'm
1 minute.
coming.
Yeah, sure. Uh, 2 to the power of 4 minus plus 1 into 2 to the power of 8 plus 1. Okay. Wait a minute. So hold on.
Mhm. Okay.
Um, I think there is something that I'm missing, but I'm almost there actually. Wait. If I because okay. What if I try doing this? Then oh wait. Okay. Divide by this is
Mhm.
this. Okay. I'm getting somewhere. Just let me keep going. Yeah. Then okay. Oh wait. A is it? Wait. Just I is it C?
C, correct. How? Can you explain? Very good. Very nice.
The way I was thinking about it is, I tried first method was taking out two powers and all that didn't work.
Correct,
But
correct,
when I
correct.
look at it, if I do two is to the power of 16 minus one,
Mm-hmm.
right, and then I divide it by all the values that are given on the right, it's the
Okay.
same. If you multiply everything on the right hand side, you'll get two is to the power of 16 minus one.
Okay. Okay.
That's at least what I
No,
noticed
how you
because
can multiply? Wait, wait, wait. How
Mhm,
we
sorry.
can multiply these all right hand side term? Can
So,
you multiply
okay,
this
okay. So
easily?
what I'm basically saying, sir, is these right hand ones, if you expand them, like if you go one by one, like the first one is quite simple. You get two to the way I did it is rather than
Okay, okay, okay,
multiplying
okay.
them, I divided 2 to the
Okay.
power of 16 minus 1 with them.
Or the other
No,
way is,
yeah.
okay, see, now the what should be the ideal way, the tricky approach? See, can you multiply with 1 here? Can you write that the 1 is also
Yes.
multiplying here? Correct.
Yes.
So now please see 2 raised to power 16 minus all the things, just write it 2 plus 1, 2 square plus
That's
1, 2 raised to power 4 plus 1, 2 raised to power 8 plus 1. Now this 1 I would like to
2
write
minus
in
1.
this way. Yeah, 2 minus 1. Now please
Yeah,
see. This
that's
is a
essentially what I
minus
saw.
b and this is a plus b. So after
Yeah, yeah.
this, you will get 2 raised to power 16 minus. In place of this, I will write 2 square minus 1. A square minus b
And then they
square.
just keep going. That's what I also
Yes,
noticed. We'll get to 2 to
yes,
the power of 16 minus 1. That's what I thought at least.
correct.
It
So
just worked out
now
for
this
this.
is again based on an
Yeah, yeah.
identity, and this will be 2 raised to power 16 minus 2 raised to power 4 minus 1.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
what
yeah.
do you think? This can be asked or not?
Yes, these are all very interesting questions. Interesting.
So
Because
this will be,
they're very simple, but it's like small tricks you won't like notice.
yeah,
Interesting. Okay. And it's a no calculator question as well, right?
correct, yes. So this will be 1. So its answer will be very simple, and that
Uh,
should be 1.
yeah.
Any doubt?
Nope. I think
O-
this makes sense. So let's
Okay, let
see.
us see the next important question.
Uh,
The question is uh, 8763 into 8765. We have this number,
Eight seven
right?
six three
Product
eight
of two
seven
numbers.
six five.
This is the product, right?
Oh, yeah.
Which smallest number, please write, which smallest number should be added?
Hmm.
Smallest number should
Uh,
be added
which smallest number should be added? Added to it, okay?
such that, yeah, such that the number becomes perfect square. Your options are 1, 2,
Wait,
3.
which smallest number should be added to the whole thing?
Yeah, in this product, which number should be added
Oh, it's just
such
A.
that the
Wait, one
answer is
second.
A.
What? No, 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 no. One second, one second. Um, yeah, it's A because if you look at it, you can rewrite this as 8764 minus 1 into 8764 plus 1. And if you
Correct.
do that, you get,
Very good.
yeah, yeah, it's A.
So it is
Yeah.
8764 minus 1,
Hmm.
and this is 8764
Plus,
minus,
yeah,
sorry,
plus 1,
plus
plus
1.
1. Yeah.
Yeah. So it should be 8764 minus,
Squared.
sorry, whole square and
Minus
minus
1
1.
squared.
So
Yeah.
whatever, see, so I think we should add this plus 1. If you add this plus
Yep.
1,
It works.
okay. Similarly, so what's the another way is, now the same question is for this number. We have this 27 into 33, suppose. I'm saying that. Which smallest number, again, the statement is same. You can find answer, you can start your solution. Which smallest number should be added? Which smallest number should be added such that the number becomes perfect square?
I see.
Yeah. Your options are one, sorry,
Yeah.
one. Options
Okay.
are same, two, three, and four.
Yeah. Okay. Um, wait a minute. Just one second. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, interesting. Just 1 minute. I think I can solve this. It's something similar. It's just like I need to find exactly. Just yeah.
Question is exactly similar. I
Wait,
want to
one,
explain the
two,
method
three, four.
exactly.
Is it not going to be 9?
9.
One. I think the answer is 9, not 1, 2, 3, 4, unless I'm wrong.
Yeah. The
Then I'm
E bit
wrong.
should be 5, or we can
No,
change it
then I'm wrong.
4. Wait,
Oh,
correct, correct. Your answer is correct.
yeah.
It's
Reason
4.
being, I just did 30 minus 3 into 30 plus 3, which you get 30 square minus 3 square, and then you'll just get
Yeah.
9.
So what's the
Yeah.
method is? The shortcut method is, see,
Mm,
you have 27 and
yeah.
33. Please
Mm,
find the difference. How much difference is?
6.
6. So what you have to do? The required number is, see, basically this is a squared minus b squared. So you want this b squared. So d over 2 and then whole square. So it should be
Mm,
6 over 2, that is 3, and whole square, that is a 9. So you have to adjust this 9. Similarly here, if you see what's the difference in these two numbers, the difference was for 2, right? So d was 2. So the required number is 2 upon 2 and whole square, so it should be 1 only. So this the concept. Similarly, see, suppose someone is saying for 9 into 11, what should be added? So what's the difference is? So difference is again 2. So the
2.
required number will
Interesting.
be 2 over 2 and then whole
Oh,
square. So it should be
is that a
1.
formula?
Not a formula. These are only
Common.
observations.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Wait, does it work
The-
for every single thing?
yes. See, you see,
Wait, can we try with
you have
any? Can
derived
we
it.
try with
You have
another?
derived it. See,
Oh, yeah, because a square minus b
see.
square.
So we have to adjust
Oh,
this.
yeah, 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 smart. True, 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 true. Oh my God.
You
So
can
you're
try
saying,
for. Yeah.
but then, okay, can I, a potential number? Let's say
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
we do
Please tell me.
something like 2 plus 300, let's just say, like just a random number I'm throwing out there, 2 plus 300.
2
So
plus,
in
no,
that,
product. You need a product
oh
of
yeah, 2
200.
into 300, sorry. If we do 2 into 300, I don't think that would work still, would it?
What's the difference is
It will be 298, but then,
190, 298 upon
yeah,
2. See, both
yeah,
should be, 298
is,
upon 2. So how much it
yeah,
is? It should
this will be
be 4,
149.
149. So obviously, if you do this like this will not work. See, this
So
will
it's only
become
for
a
things which
negative.
are relatively close to one another,
Yeah,
essentially.
yeah.
Ah, okay, okay, my bad. Okay, makes sense. So for this case, you'll just, how will you approach this? If this was, I doubt they'll ask this, but if that was it, how will you approach? Is there a way to approach?
2 into 200.
300, let's say, like
300.
300.
What
Basically,
should
they're
be
asking for
added?
600.
Okay.
Oh, just a potential suggestion. Could you not just rewrite this in a way so that it's closer to 600, something like 20
No, no,
into
no, no,
30?
no. See, it is same, but you have to write what
Yeah,
should, yeah, we can do for the 600 also in this way. You can write some, 600
20 into
another
30,
way.
and then from that
Yeah,
you get
yeah, yeah,
25.
yeah.
Yeah,
Obviously,
okay, that
very
makes
good.
sense.
That also we can.
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, okay, that makes
Correct,
sense. So
correct.
even if they ask that, you can just do that. Fair enough. Okay, interesting.
Okay, so the next important type of question is if x is equals to root over 60 minus root over 40 upon root over 70 plus root over 50,
Oh,
and y is root over 60 plus root over 40 upon root over 70 minus root
minus,
over 50. Then find the value of 1 over x plus 1, this, plus 1 over y plus 1. And your options
uh,
are your options are A2, B1,
hmm.
C3, and D4. Question looks very complicated, but options looks very simple.
Yeah, I think there's a trick to this, but I will.
And since your examination guidelines is saying that for irrational, calculations are important, so this question is very important.
Yeah, x plus 1. This is. Wait a minute. That's not right, is it? No, it's not. It is. Wait, one second. Let me just check
Mhm.
one thing really quickly.
Okay.
Hold on.
Mhm.
Okay. I thought I was okay. So if that's not it. If that's the case, then I'll just be. Oh, wait. There is one thing you can do instantly if I'm not wrong. Can I not just get rid of all the zeros and make it a bit simpler?
Mhm. Sorry, repeat.
In this whole X and Y thing, just to
Mhm.
make the whole thing easier, can I not just get rid of all the zeros? Because I'll just factor out root 10 in all of them and just cancel them all out. Would that not make it easier?
No, no. See, the concept is no.
Hmm,
That way, I think you will take the long route. See,
okay.
There is a concept.
I see.
If the product of two numbers is 1, so if x into y is equals to 1, it means you can
Uh,
write y is equals to 1 by x, correct? Then, if this condition is satisfying, it means either xy is equals to 1 or y is equals to 1 by x. If it is given,
yeah.
then if you have to find 1 upon x plus 1
It's the
plus
same
1
as
upon
finding y plus 1.
y upon 1. So let us do some basic calculation. So it should be 1 upon x plus 1 plus it is 1 upon 1 by x plus 1. Am I right? Can I have substituted this y in terms of 1 by x, correct? So what will happen? It is 1 over x plus 1. And this is, if you take the LCM, x will go in the numerator and then you will have 1 plus x, isn't it? So again, your denominator is same, x plus 1. And luckily, in the numerator, you have also x plus 1 and gets cancelled out and you will get 1.
Really?
See?
Wait. Oh my God. So if xy is equal to 1, and
Yeah,
then we do 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1, we get 1.
always, always. So
Oh.
see, these expressions are just for, taking time.
Oh.
Just
Because
cross
both of them will
verify,
be.
just cross verify that x into y is equals to 1 or not.
Yeah,
Check
yeah, it
verify.
will be 1 because it'll be 20 over 20.
Yeah,
Yeah, that
correct,
makes
correct,
sense.
correct, correct. So if
Wow,
x y is equals
okay.
to 1, so no doubt its answer should be absolutely 1.
Wow. See, I don't, I've never, wow,
Okay, wait,
I would
wait,
never
wait.
have, whoa.
See, there's some now conclusion, concept. You can write it as a concept. There are some other results.
Hmm,
Concept. If x into y is equals to 1, what are the
hmm,
other concept related to this? Then 1 upon x plus 1
yeah,
plus 1 upon y plus 1
is equal to
will
1.
be equals to 1. This is the first
Yeah.
result, which you have proved
Mhm.
out. The
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
second one is, this may be asked in this way, x plus 1 raised to power minus 1 plus
Yeah,
y plus 1 raised to power minus 1 will
is
also be
equal
equals to
to,
1.
correct.
Same thing. This is the important one for you. 1 upon x raised to power n plus 1. It means if you have
Is,
any power on x also, 1 upon y raised to power n plus 1, then
is equal to
also it
n.
will be 1.
Huh? Oh, yeah, because it'll cancel out. Yeah, fair enough.